Okay, you're not gonna believe what I just did to my Jaguar the other day. It costed me like $300, and it's kind of a big fire hazard. And if you've seen our short videos, I think you know what I'm talking about. Yep, we did it. There we go. It gets dark in like an hour, and I'm really excited to take this thing out tonight, but the Mustang's blocking it. The fucking race car's broken again. I think it's just a starter. Let's get on it. I want to jack it up and see if we can fix it real quick. Oh. And the fucking battery's going out, so we put it on trickle charger earlier. Okay. Let's get the jack and put this thing in the air. Okay, so after taking a quick look at it, I don't think we need to jack it up. Looks like the top bolt of the starter just completely came out of the bell housing. So I'm gonna see if I can get my hand in there and we could change that out now. Hey, we should disconnect the battery.
Yeah, good idea.
Here we go. So the top bolt came out. So I think we just replace this bad boy and we're good to go.
Battery's disconnected.
You know, because I'm all about recycling, I'm gonna try to reuse this bolt.
But this time we're gonna use some thread locker. That way,
this son of a bitch won't come back.
No problems occur.
The question is can I reach this without putting it up on the jack? I don't know, because I have to push the starter up while I do it as well. So I can't get down there with my hand. So I think if I stick this broomstick down inside, kind of leverage against the exhaust and push the starter into place, then I can just thread on the bolt. Otherwise, we're gonna have to jack up this car. Oh my gosh, we're aligned, but it doesn't want to thread in by hand. Can I get my other hand in here? No. I ended up having to use a different bolt, but I think if all things are correct, is it still there? Okay, it's good enough to test. It's bolted on. Is that bolt gonna fall out again? I don't know. Let's go see if it turns on. Battery's connected. Go ahead and start this thing, dude. Fingers crossed. Oh, stop, dude. Something's smoking. Here, crank it again. Okay, so we're gonna have to use the jumper then. This battery, I think, is toast. Okay, battery charger's on. Hit it.
Those jumper things are so useful.
I know, the thing, instead of jumping on a car, it's just right here. Yeah.
I know. Just back it up.
Oh. So the flag tail. We'll have to go out the back. Oh. Okay. Now that that's done, we can work on the Jag. Well, now that that's taken care of, you might be asking yourself, Lenny, how'd you wire up $300 worth of Christmas lights on your car? Well, let me show you. After they were all wired up, I had to get my 12-volt power source. So I ran a wire from my battery in my trunk out of the trunk, and I used 2 alligator clips to wire them into the car. Probably the safest method that you could use. This is what turns your 12 volts into 120 volts to power them. Let me show you. After it's grounded to my seatbelt, I then take the 12 volts and put these together. You plug in the Christmas lights, and you turn it on. There you go. This thing sucks so many volts, so let's go test it at night. It's nighttime. I'm super excited to turn this thing on and see what it looks like. There is a lot of light though. I don't know, let's see what it looks like. I got out of the car running because it sucks so much juice.
It runs out of juice really fast, so you gotta keep the engine revving. Turn lights.
right, guys, we made it out to the middle of like the literal desert, so we could test out these lights. Complete darkness. It's in the middle of the night right now. So let's turn it on and see what it looks like.
There we go. What?
All right, guys, well, this was fun, but up next, we gotta take all these lights off because we have something huge coming for the Jag. You have to wait until next time to see it.